Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am opening my very first Stitch Fix box. And if you don't know what a Stitch Fix is, basically these people pick clothes that will fit your personality, and you take this whole test and stuff, and it's really fun to do. And I thought I would do an unboxing for you guys. A quick disclaimer before I get into the video: in no way am I trying to brag at all. I really love watching unboxing videos and hauls and try-ons, so I decided to do this video for you guys, and I know a lot of you like these types of videos too. And I'm going to be trying on the clothes that I'm getting in this box. So now with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so when you open it up, we have these bags on the side. So, because if you don't like the clothes, or they don't fit you, or you just don't want them, then you can put them in this bag and send it back to them, which is super cool. And then there's this envelope, and let me open it up for you guys. Okay, I opened it. Now let's see what's inside of here. So first we have this card that tells you what you're gonna get inside. So here's the stuff. And then there's a card that tells you how it works and stuff like that. But my mom has gotten a Stitch Fix box before, so she knows how it works. And then says the cost and the name of the things you got. And the shipping is totally free, by the way. I'm not gonna say how much it was because that's personal information. Not really, but I'm not gonna say. And now let's see what's inside. Okay, so starting off with the pants and the sets. There's only one set in this whole box, like a set of pants and a shirt, pants and a top. So let's start off with the set. So this is the top for the set. It's really cute. It has this type of tie right there at the bottom right there. And it's really cute and super soft and super comfortable. I really love it, and it's tie-dye, so of course I love it. And then here's the bottoms. They're just some shorts. They have pockets, and they're super cute as well, and they have the same type of soft material as the top. Next we have the shorts. It came with 3 pairs of shorts. So the first pair I'm going to show you is these jean shorts. They're really cute. The waist, I would have to tighten them because they are too loose on the waist for me. But they're really cute. I like the jean material that they're made out of. And it is my size 16. And they're really cute. They have pockets on the back. They have fake pockets at the front though, so they're not like real. You can't put your hands in them. But these are super cute. Next we have these shorts. I can't remember what they're called. And then the jean shorts were called Hippie Girl. Are super cute. I really love the waist. It's super stretchy, and there's ties in case they're too big for your waist, and they're just super like loose, so which I like. I like kind of loose pants, so I really like these. the next pair of shorts are these shorts. They're kind of made out of a sweatpant type of material. Not actually, you could sleep in them, but it says on the tag that they're not intended for sleepwear, but they're super duper soft, and they're just really, really, really cute and super comfortable as well, and I really like them. Next, and those were all of the shorts. Now we have the only pair of pants that actually came in this. We have these pants. They're they are also by Rummy Ryder, and they are also like, they're baggy kind of, and they have a really nice material that they're made out of. Again, it's like that soft material, same as the shorts that I just showed you from Rummy Ryder as well. It's just super duper soft. Next we have our tops, and it came with 4 shirts and 1 dress. So the first shirt that we have is this super duper cute. I really, really love it. This tie-dye top, and I really like it. It's that same soft type of material, and this is the Crown of Hearts Kylie Knot front tee in the color pink, obviously, and it's super duper cute. It's tie-dye, which I love. It's kind of marbly tie-dye. I don't know how to explain it, but it's super duper cute and I love it. The next shirt we have is probably my favorite out of all of the shirts. So this one is super duper cute. This one is definitely tie-dye, and it's this mustard type of tie-dye. It's this mustard color, and this is the Love Glam Girl by Rana tie-dye tie front top in the color mustard, and it says kindness on the front right here. You can't tell it says that because it's backwards, but it does say kindness with some sunflowers at the bottom, and it's really, really pretty. I love it so much. And then these are like ruffles at the top. I don't know how to explain it, but it's super duper pretty. And this is definitely my favorite shirt out of all of them. Next, we have 2 more shirts to go, and they're both white. This shirt is really, really cute. I love it so much. The design on the front is this surfer in this circle, and then some flowers at the side, and it's super duper cute. Same soft material and this is called the Love Glam Girl Nastia tie front graphic diamond tee in the color white, obviously, and it's super duper pretty. I really, really like this one. Then we have this one. It says vacate mode with a bulldog. I love this shirt. It's super duper cute. It's like kind of baggy, but not. It's like wavy, I guess. And it's kind of a short sleeve and a tank top. I don't know how to explain it, but it's from Bixby Nomad. That's what the brand is called. And it's super duper cute, and I love this shirt so much. Next, last but not least, the last thing we have in this box is this super cute dress. I really, really like this dress. It's really, really cute. It's pretty long, actually, and I really like the design on the front. And I love the flowers, all the flowers, and the color as well. This is by the brand Chinlet Girl. And it's the Granny Smocked Waist Flutter Sleeve Maxi Dress in the color Indigo. And it is just super duper pretty. I love it. that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And once you subscribe, please turn on the post notification bell so that you'll get notified every single time I post any new videos. I'll see you guys later. Bye!